Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you a simple craft that you could do with your kids. And it's a fall craft and it's very colorful and I think that they would like doing it. So what I have for you today is candy corn. Who doesn't like candy corn? And isn't this colorful and pretty? And I'll tell you all you need to make this, and you probably have these things at your house. All you need is a half of sheet of black paper. So just take your regular size black paper, cut it in half, and this is what you get. And then on a white piece of paper, I cut out the shape I wanted my candy corn to be, and I put it on my black piece of paper and traced it with white crayon. You could use white chalk so that you get this shape, like this. Then you are going to take all kinds of little squares, yellow, orange, and white, and you are going to glue them on here, on your piece of black paper. And if you stay within the lines, if your child puts the white on the top part, puts the orange on the bottom part, puts the yellow here, or I should say white, orange, yellow, or they can mix them up. It doesn't really matter. But if you do it in sections, and if you keep the same color in each section, you will get a piece that looks like this, like a candy corn. All right, it's very simple. You don't need many things. This could be either tissue paper or colored construction paper that you cut your colorful little squares out of. So it's really something easy that you can do, and it's appropriate, I would say, for November, or fall or October. So it's a great fall project, and it takes them a little while. It'll keep them busy for a little bit gluing all these little squares on here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Happy Thanksgiving, happy fall, and happy crafting. Bye.